接住落嚟，除咗呢班小朋友咁有力之餘呢，就嚟到我哋最後壓軸出場嘅小朋友啦。佢哋係嚟自荔枝角精英班 Level 2嘅精英啊，由我哋 Eunice 姐姐隊準備好出場啦。Eunice 姐姐呢係我哋荔枝角啦、銅鑼灣啦、屯門啦，都有帶領我哋嘅學生表演嘅喎。我哋今次精英班咧，今次出咗3個隊員啫。平時嘅話咧，我哋咧每一年咧大概會招募學生咧，大概10至15人。咁每次出場咧，比賽同表演都會唔一樣嘅。今次我哋俾啲掌聲，我哋3位精英先，有 Ellie、佩如同埋 Miguel。
Give me love and I'ma give it right back. Who knew Cupid he could shoot me like that? I'm going stupid cause I want it so bad, so bad. Mona Lisa, we are looking like art. Just one touch and I'm living on Mars. Got me dizzy when I'm falling in your arms, your arms. You're so right through me. Oh, you got me falling so hard when they sing these stars. Now with you is like the movies. Am I dreaming? Come to the beat of my heart. Baby, can we skip to the part? Put your body on my body. You gonna make it move. Ain't nobody get the money that can do it like you. Put your body on my body. Live with me like rendezvous. Ain't nobody get the money. Ain't nobody that can do it like you. Nobody, no, no, nobody. No, nobody. Ain't nobody that can do it like you. No, nobody. No, no, nobody. No, nobody. Ain't nobody that can do it like you.
Eunice 姐姐嘅熱烈精英班，請留步，請留步，請留步！我哋精英小朋友，佢哋咧其實本身咧有2個咧係由我哋 Level 1升上 Level 2嘅，係精英嚟嘅。佢哋參與過無數嘅比賽，亦都得到咧好優秀嘅成績，亦都參與過聖誕節表演啦、Halloween 嘅比賽啊，亦都得到金獎啦、冠軍等等。咁我哋一齊俾啲掌聲佢哋先。除咗我哋精英班 Level 2嘅小朋友呢，我哋有個精湛嘅演出，我哋亦都多謝各位家長、各位小朋友熱落力嘅演出。我哋呢會而家要邀請翻所有嘅表演生，我哋慢慢上台，我哋一齊影個大合照先。